Hello everybody, it's me and I'm back. Today we're gonna continue our zombie shooter, but today is probably gonna be a pretty short video because I wasn't prepared or anything. I just hopped in and recorded, so we'll just finish off the things what we couldn't do yesterday. So let's click on our project. I'll just go inside and let me just test so I remember where we left off. Okay, first thing, when they hit the zombies, the bullet, then the bullet should stop. So let's go to the bullet. That's the zombies. Let's go to the bullet code, and we will always put in both of these that if then, we will put if then touching zombies. If then touching zombies, then we'll just hide, stop the script, and that's it. So let's try. Yeah, it hit them, or yeah, we could fix it later so it would be like a little more cooler or something like that. But now we will make the health thing. So yeah, okay, that works. Let's show enemy health. Oh yeah, we can't actually show that because every clone has its own enemy health. Well, now we will start doing some other things, like the enemy's movement. They are not that smart, as you can see, my guys. So we're gonna also fix that and some other bugs. First of all, the enemy clipping together. So now we will make a new sprite. I mean, not a new sprite. Make a new list called enemy positions for the sprite only, and every enemy in the end, it would add two things. First of all, we will now use the C count again, set C count to 0, and now change C count by 1. Let's show C count. Let's see how does that work. Yeah. And now, no, we'll put the C count after that. Now, we will take the C count. We will add first 5. No, we will add things in here, 2 things. Those things will be empty every single time. And we'll take a delete all to delete all of the positions first. And then every enemy will add their X and Y. So we'll take a replace item. Replace item C count plus 1 and C count plus 2. With XY. Wait, guys, wait a minute. We don't have to make the list for all sprites, we can just for this sprite only, enemy positions for all sprites. Now delete this one. So now we'll do the same thing here. Add the unknown things, what will be changed later. Delete all of this, and then we'll replace item 1. Let's test a little. Replace item 1. Oh no, enemy C count +1 by X position. Okay. Now you can see there's these. And now we will duplicate this and we'll add 2, not X position, but Y position. What? X, Y, and problems, because I'll just refresh the page. Reload. Oh my god. Did I save it? Oh no, bro. Let's just I'll just make them list very easily. Very fast. Enemy position. And now for all sprites, and then nothing, those are nothing, and then replace item 1 C count +1. And here's the thing, what I wanted you guys to see. So the first C count is gonna be 0. I have to also do that. 0, right? Change C count by 1. So the next C count will be 1. So 1 + 1 is 2. And that's why our Y position is getting mixed by X position. That's why probably my computer was doing that. So now that's a problem, because for the first one it should be 2, but for the rest it should be 3. So we'll put a if then else. C count is greater than 0. Then we'll put 3. But if then it's not, then we will put 2. Now this should work well. And another thing, if C count is 1, it should also put another one here. We'll put this here, that because if the C count is 1, then +1, the X position would mix again. So we'll put X, Y, Y. This should work. Still not working. Let's analyze the script more. So if C count is 0, then it should replace item. What is that right there? That might be the bug, because we did that. Now let's do what? Oh yeah, we didn't put a delete all in there. I mean, I didn't put, you guys probably did, but not me. Still the same. Well guys, I will fix the bug and I will cut back in to the video. So So guys, I was a little bit like looking at the stuff, and then I realized when I changed it to X and Y's, it was XY, XXX, XY, and then blank blank blank. That's not what should happen. I'll try to fix it. Okay guys, I tested a little bit and I just changed all of this back to normal, and I took these away and I replaced it with X, and as you saw before. But I'm gonna make a new custom block named find my slots of X and Y. Run without screen refresh. So this is gonna be a matter of a lot of ifs and else's. So first, not ifs and else's, a lot of ifs ands. Actually, 5 ifs ands. The count amount. So I'm thinking if we can use the count. Well, first let's use these 5 ones, and in the next part I probably might have a little better way. So if then clone ID equals, not clone ID, C count. C count, C count, C count, C count, C count equals 0, 1. Wait, let's just show C count right now. C count becomes 6, of course. Oh yeah, because it has to be 5. But there's a clone what doesn't get the next C count. Oh my god. I'll just put the C count right here. Now still 5. So if then C count equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If then equals 1, then we will also put this right here. Then replace item 1 with X. Let's test. And replace item 2 with Y. And here the same thing, but this is gonna be 3 and 4. And here's the same thing. This is gonna be 5, 6. Oops, 5 and 6. Here's the same thing. 7 and 8. And here's the same thing. 9 and 10. 9 and 10. Now let's keep testing with this, and XY, 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 XY. Good. Now every single thing has their XY. Now we're gonna put the X position and Y position. X, Y, X, Y, X, Y, and X, Y. Now we're gonna check if all of those X and Y's are different. Looks different to me. Okay, everybody. In the next episode, I'm gonna tell you how to code this values to become readable to the enemies that they know their boundaries. But before all of that, you will take a round mod and we'll put it in every single one. That it doesn't give us these long numbers. So x, y, and round, round, and more rounds. Oops. More rounds, round, round, x position, y position, and let's see. And they are all clean numbers and very much understood. Now, before we go, that it would be easy to understand, we will join to this x. Let's just duplicate this a lot of times, exactly 5 times. That's 5. And we will join to this, another join, what is gonna be y, and make that, why not t, and make 5 of those. I'll just scramble them up a little. And now there is 5 of those y's and x's. Now 10 of one more, and that is the dot, this thing, no, here actually. And let's duplicate these 5 of them, and there we go. Now we can, not 5 actually, 10. Now that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're gonna take one x, put it here, and no, we'll just take this, put it inside of the x. We'll take the round of x. This is gonna be our thing. And then we'll take another x. We'll take this. We'll put this inside the x thing and put it right here. And now that should work well. And actually, we'll take another x, put here, take this, and put it right back. Take another x, put it here, and put it all of here inside another x. Then we'll take for the last time, this rounded x position, and the dot or whatever it is, and put it all inside the join x thing. Oops. And now same for the y. We'll take another of these, then the y, we'll put it inside, and we'll put it all here. Another of these, y, oops, y, we'll put it here, we'll put it here, then here, and here, and here, here, and here. Then this, with this, and this, and here. The last one, and we'll put it here. This, we'll take it and put it here and here. Whew, let's check the results. Ooh, now it's much more understandable what is y and what's x. That's cool. But I can't see my player. Let's just start again. No, good, yeah. So now it tells all of those expositions, and now we will actually make a last one. We'll actually add 2 more in the end, so that would be 12 together, and replace item 11 and 12 with rounded. Let's just take this Oh yeah, it's already there. And we're now gonna put the X position or Y position. We're gonna put the player X and player Y. Player X and Y, that we can get his boundaries, that we also know that where's the player, that now they will also know the player's boundaries and where to orbit around. And thank you everybody, I'll save the project, for following this confusion episode, and yeah, so bye, and thanks for the 6 subscribers, right? Yeah, thanks so much, and stay Cody. Bye. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. It will mean everything to me. And please put the notification bell. Click that. Smash the like button, just like how you're gonna smash the subscribe button. And then you'll be ready and notified for my next zombie shooter tutorial. Bye, and thank you.